Hello. In this video, we will learn what a contextual vector is. A contextual vector is basically a vocabulary list that represents the micro context of a domain. It essentially helps the search engine differentiate between various contextual domains by analyzing word occurrence. This means that by using the words that have been employed, it determines which contextual domain they belong to. Now, how does this work? Every domain has a unique set of terms that occur frequently, which helps to determine the specific domain they belong to. Content and elements are identified and classified using the Google User Context-based search engine patent. For example, the sports domain will contain words like game, player, and sport. A cooking domain will have recipe, ingredients, and book. Similarly, every domain has certain words. Let's say we have an SEO domain. SEO would be a part of a larger marketing domain. What kind of terms will be present in the SEO domain? On page, off page, alt text, all the specific terms used within SEO will be included. This is how we use them in our headings and our content. You can think of a contextual vector as a word cloud for a book where the most frequently used words are represented, allowing you to determine the main topic of the book. For instance, consider a book about gardening. What kind of keywords will it have? Plants, flowers, soil, and watering. Based on this contextual vector, it can be concluded that the book is about gardening. If you have a cooking book, the frequent words will be recipe, baking, ingredients, and oven. Based on this contextual vector, we can determine that the book is about cooking. In this way, search engines look at most commonly used words, ensuring they are not generic. Through these words, they figure out the domain, whether the website is about cooking, tech, gardening, or something else. You can see the pattern here. This entire concept is based on user context for search engines. Google has created these domains, and all the terms reside within them. When you write an article, the search engine scans all the words through crawling. It then organizes them and sees which words belong to which domains. That then becomes your micro context. Due to this process, we must use words that belong to those specific domains. This is what we refer to as the contextual vector. Here you can see a further visual illustration of this concept where domains are arranged according to the context map. All the terms are inside these domains. The smaller terms that do not strictly belong are often placed in the middle. The closer a word is to a specific domain, the more related it is to that topic. However, some elements are not strongly related, which is why they are not fully contained within the domain boundaries.